Hey, are you ever in the grocery store and you see bananas that look like that? Now typically just for eating the banana, you're not going to catch me touching these. I don't like mine like this. I like them more on the green side. But however, whenever you're going to be making banana bread, banana muffins, or something like that, this is exactly what you need. Okay, I've already made one batch of banana bread with these, and this is way too many to use right now. Did you know you can freeze them? I do it all the time. Most recipes call for 3 to 4, and these are fairly small, so I'm going to show you what I do. We're going to do 4 in the batch. Just a freezer size Ziploc bag. And I'm going to peel it. And I'm just simply going to put it in a bag. Now, whenever you bag them, I'm doing them whole, as you can see. You could go ahead and mash them if you would like, but I don't see any point in it because when you defrost them, they're going to be soft. So basically all you're going to have to do is just give it just a tiny little mash and you're good to go. But I'm just going to put it in here, roll it around and get as much of the air out as what I can. I'm going to continue on and get these other 2 packets made. I have a big Ziploc bag. This is the quart size. I'm going to put these 3 in here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to roll it up like that when they're all in there. That way it gives it an extra layer of protection in the freezer. And the next time you want banana bread and you don't have bananas on hand, just take a package out, let it set for a couple hours at room temperature, put it in a bowl, mash it, and follow your recipe like you normally would. Just wanted to share that little time-saving tip for you. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you on that next video.